Hi, I will show you how to solve the vector question from diagram. There are two vectors as you see, the component of the vector 3 and 5 and the other vector component is 4 and 2. Right now, what is the question? Find the length of the vector. So, how to find the length of the vector? There is a formula. Length of the vector, if u is a x component and y component as a vector, this this notation means what? Length of a vector of u. Okay, guys? Then length of vector formula in the square root, first component square plus second component square. I will use this formula to figure out the question A and B. What is the component? U vector is 3, 5. Then length of vector in square root 3 square plus 5 square, it means the in square root 34, and same method we will use to figure out the length of vector v. So first component 4, second component 2, going to be 16 plus 4, going to be 20. Let's continue. What is this? This means the dot product. Why it is called the dot product? Because in between of two vectors, could you see there's a dot? Okay, first vector this one, second vector this one, and x1 times x2, first component. Okay, product of x part plus product of y part. That's it. What is the important part? Product of two vectors is going to be what? Is the real number. We will not get from the dot product the vector. We will get the real number. Then, I want to continue. We already figured out the A and B. Then, just the x1 is 4, 4 times 3 plus 5 times 2. We will get the, okay guys, 22. U dot product V equals to 22. Then, second part, angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors formula is this. Cosine theta equals to dot product will be divided by length of these two vectors. So we are looking for the theta. We need to take the inverse of the cosine. Okay, cosine inverse in bracket product of dot product divided by length of two vectors. Then I will use this formula to figure out the theta in between two vectors. Don't forget, from A, B, we get the length of u and v, and we calculate already dot product of u, v. Then we need to just plug the known numbers into equation. Then obviously we cannot calculate the angle by not using the calculator. We need a calculator. Then from calculator, I got this answer. Don't forget, it is degree. Thank you very much.